Answer 58. Ram, Mohan and Sohan sharing profits and losses equally have capitals of 1,20,000, 90,000 and 60,000. For the year 2009, interest was credited to them at 6% instead of 5%. Give adjusting journal entry. Interest was credited to them at 6% instead of 5%. That means they have taken 1% extra. We should take that back from them. 1% extra which has been taken away by the partners by mistake, that has been already credited to them, that is to be debited now. The mistaken portion is only 1%. So we have to rectify only 1%. This is answer 58. Please write down answer 58. Answer 58. In this question, interest was credited to the partners at 1% extra. First of all, we have to prepare working notes. Working notes. Here, interest was credited. Interest was credited to partners in excess is equal to 6% minus 5%. They should have got 5%, but they have got 6%. They have got 1% extra. This is interest credited to them at 1% extra. This is excess credit of interest. Now what is to be done is, we have to deal with this 1% extra only. We need not bother about that 6% or 5%. Only mistaken portion only is to be rectified is that 1%. That 1% is to be rectified. So now we will proceed. We will prepare the statement showing adjustment. Please prepare statement showing adjustment. Statement showing adjustment. Statement showing adjustment. This is Ram, Mohan, Sohan and farm. Ram, Mohan, Sohan and farm. There are three partners. Ram, this is Ram's column. Mohan, Sohan and farm. Particulars: Ram, Mohan, Sohan, farm. Debit, credit. Debit, credit. In all the columns, debit, credit, and rupees also. You must have understood that the partners should have got 5% interest, but they have already taken 1% in excess. They have got 6% interest. By mistake, they have taken 1% more. Interest on capital excess credited. Please write down interest on capital excess credited. Interest on capital excess credited. %. Only please take 1%. This is excess credited. You have to take only 1%. This is 1,20,000 का 1% is equal to 1200, 900 and 600. This is total amounted to 2700 credit. And this is, we have got back interest. This is net profit for the above. Net profit for the above adjustment, for the above is equal to rupees 2700 in 1:1:1 ratio. This is 900, this is 900, this is 900, this is 2700. Then we have to total this and finalize. This is total. This is totaling of all the columns. 1200, 900, 900, 900, 600, 900, 2700, 2700. The net effect entry is net effect. That is 300 debit, 300 credit. Yours is now, this is your fair notes, journal entry, your format, date, particulars, this is your ledger folio, debit amount, and this is your credit amount, rupees. Here we can see working notes. Journal entry, the date is towards the end of the year. It is written for the year 2009, that is 31st December 2009. This will be the year ending 31st December 2009. Ram's capital account debited to Sohan's capital account. This is Ram's capital account debited Ram's capital account debited to Sohan's capital account. Sohan's capital account. This is 300 each. Being excess interest credited, now rectified. This is your totaling 300 300 each.